Hello. Today we will be going over a feature on the accent devices known as button boost. This feature pretty much allows you to enlarge a specific word on the device. So if you have a word that you want to focus on, a core word of the day, this is a great feature to bring attention to that specific word. So first you are going to head right up to the top right and select the menu button. And then you are going to go over to the left and select Vocabulary Builder. From there, you are going to, there's going to be like another sub bar that shows up, and you are going to select Button Boost. You will notice that the button boost feature is now blue. That is just letting us know that the feature is now on and is ready to enlarge a visual. Now you want to select a word that you want to enlarge or bring attention to. So I'm going to select the word more for the sake of this example. Okay, so when I first selected more, this size is the largest size that you can go. I prefer to go smaller, so if you want to make it smaller, you just click the word again. So I'm just going to click more to go a size down. Okay, and so here you have more enlarge, a little bit, not as big as the previous one, but it does go down another size. So I'm going to select more again to get the smallest size. Okay, so this is as small as the button boost feature will go. I'm okay with this. It's not too big, not too small. So now I'm just going to go up to the top right and select exit. So now we are back to kind of the home page of this device. And as you can see here, my core word that I'm focusing on more is enlarged. Okay, so say you are done. That was the word of the day. You are no longer focusing on that word. You want to focus on something else. I'm going to show you now how to remove that button boost feature on that word more. So you are just going to go back up to this menu button in the top right. And then you are going to select the button boost feature button. If it does not automatically pop up, you can go back and click Vocabulary Builder, and that sub menu should pop up. We are going to turn on the button boost button just by pushing it. It should turn blue. That is how you know it is ready to activate, deactivate the button boost feature. So I'm going to select more because I do not want that word to be enlarged anymore. Okay, so now we have it back to its original size in the grid. I am now going to click exit. And there you have it. It is reduced back to its original size. Yep, if you have any questions, just respond to this email and or reach out to a speech therapist in your house and we will be sure to walk you through it. Bye.